Hey everyone, so part 3 of the valve cover gasket replacement. I mentioned that you don't need to put any RTV sealant to attach this gasket to the valve cover in part 2. There are some places on the cylinder head itself where you need to. And so where your one of your cams is exiting the cylinder head on the back of the engine, you got to put a healthy dab on either side of that cam journal there. And then over here by the timing chain, again, there's 4 spots. These are just little seams that need a little extra sealant. So we've got healthy dabs of RTV sealant, 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. Each place where you'll see a little seam in the metal, you'll put a little dab of coolant. Not coolant, sealant. That will keep the oil inside here of the cylinder head. So that's what you're doing in terms of prep for this. As you can see, I already cleaned up the mating surface. So that's nice and clean. We've got our dabs of sealant in place. And I'll go ahead and seat the valve cover. And then I'll be back in just a moment after I seat that valve cover, and then we'll move on to the next steps here in part 3.